Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Libby. Today I'm trying out this new gel polish line from Modelones. So I went ahead and swatched all the colors. So far, I really like the colors. I do wish they were a little bit more vibrant, like summerish, but overall, I was pretty satisfied. So these are all the colors that were in the kit. So these containers are like super solid. I don't know what they're made out of, but they're like hard. I don't know. But anyways, this is the purple color that I wanted to try, and the pink. I picked these colors because I had bought some little rhinestones the other day on Amazon and I really want to try them. So I am going to let y'all watch me work. I really enjoyed this gel polish because I only use one coat, as you can see, and it covered my nail. I did come back later in the video and change my thumb color, but outside of that, this was definitely one of my favorites. That's very low odor, no headache. It cured perfect. So yeah, it's a yes for me. So I'll put everything in the description box. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mila be out.